Alright, first thing we'll do, I gotta measure out what my distance is between these 2 points, and then I gotta pull the TV out so that I can go ahead and get that mounted up there. So hopefully this goes fairly smooth. 40 millimeters. Try to get everything else out of the way. So. It doesn't really matter where I put it, so I'm just going to mark out, I don't know, maybe about here. And then I want to go 4 centimeters over. I don't even need it to be especially level. And we'll drill out these 2 holes. Alright, let's switch over to a Phillips head and figure out where I put the screws. Alright. Alright. Test fit. A little loose. We can go in a little tighter. Just a little further. There we go. Obviously, I'll have to run the power cord up here still, and of course, I got to run the wiring for the speakers still. But yeah, all right, she's mounted. All right, separate them. Let's get the double-sided tape on them. Might be using a bit more of the double-sided tape than I absolutely need to. I could probably get away with just doing a couple small strips, but meh, I don't want to take it back now. Alright, let's take all 4 of these back over there. Okay, I gotta trim this down, cut that down, fill that last little gap, and then swing back. One full one do that back? I think it sure will. Good. Yeah. I don't know how this is going to come out. I reckon we'll find out. right, this is not fun on my back. Back is letting me know in no uncertain terms, does not approve. Yeah. Right, I'm fine with this just sitting back here. Can I tell you how disappointed I would be in myself if I knocked this TV behind me off? Even that up. All right. Now I just need power up here. Maybe watch, I'm gonna get done with all this, I'm gonna find out that that hasn't seen any of this. It's just how my luck tends to go. Oh. Alright. What's that? Okay. Good. Done. Alright, there's puzzles up here. No, don't unplug. Bloody hell. So let this update, and then I'll come back and see if indeed you're working. All right, so let's show you how this thing works in action. 5 years later, it is still up. Yes. So yeah, this is running a hi-fi berry. Let's see if I can show you this all mounted up back there now. Way up there. So the hi-fi berry gives me 30 watt to each speaker, and I'll give you a little demonstration of it here. So it's now, I go into my phone, I can search for Bluetooth, Seal, Workshop Audio, active, there we go. What am I allowed to play? I don't know, let's find some royalty-free music, I guess. A mix of inspiration. We're about in the middle of the room. And pause. And I'll just disconnect. That's all. Just disconnect. And I do intend to put another setup. I actually do have another set of these Yamaha speakers. Let me get my way over here. So I do have another set of these NS-AW35 or 350A, I think it was. I don't remember now. But I do have another set. They're 130 watt maximum. Yeah, AW35W, 350W, sorry. These are the white ones. I'm quite happy with how they sound. I'm quite happy with the hi-fi berry. Support has been excellent. I think that's on a Raspberry Pi 3. Might be on a 4, but I think it's a 3B. So, yeah. Lets me have tunes, which I always have to turn off when I'm doing video out here, unfortunately. But in between, or the areas that you see me fast-forwarding, you can bet that these are pumping some music for me. So, yeah. I think it's well worth the time and effort. Get you some, music, decent music out in your workshop. I find that helps motivate me, at least. Maybe it helps motivate you. Try it out. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one. I am trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, if possible. So if you like the content, or if this is helpful for you as you set up your own garage, please consider hitting like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon, all the stuff that I hate to talk about. I don't know, it just feels weird to like beg people to please pay attention to me. And I don't like having attention paid to me, honestly. So, but I do hope that at least this was in some way helpful for you guys. And as always, thanks for watching.